Assalamu alaikum 3 class. How are you all? Have a blessed day to all of you. Students, we are going to start our unit 7. The name of the unit is The Green City Part 1. This lesson having two parts. The first part is here and we will start. There are the keywords to learn that what the things are called. The first one, as you see, this is called a solar panel. Solar panel mostly nowadays they are very commonly used for home appliances. Solar panel, they store the energy from sun and they make electricity. Okay, there is the next picture that is down the solar panel. The game name is console, the game console. Next there is a water tank, and the water tank we use it to store the water. Satellite dish, we could also commonly we called it dish antenna. And handstand, to stand on your hands. Okay, now student, as you remember that we have read our first unit downhill all the way. This is also a story and answer the spider, and this is that what the things are happening in that stories. So this is also a same story. This is a story of a sister and a brother. Okay, a younger brother, and his name is Umair. So let's start our reading. It was a hot Saturday morning in July. Umair and his big sister Rida were on the roof of their blocks of flat. Rida was playing with her game console. As you see, Rida was playing with her game console. And what Umair doing? Umair was doing handstand. You see, student, this was is actually a helping verb, and ing is coming with the first form of verb. So this is past progressive tense, the work that is happening in past, and we will speak about that. Okay, so this, keep it in mind that what type of tense it is. It is past progressive tense. Umair was doing handstand. Suddenly he heard a low humming noise. What he heard? He heard a humming noise. Umair turned and stared over the rooftop. Stared means look continuously. There was satellite dish on all the roofs, but he could not see anything strange. Then the humming stopped and he only heard the car roaring along the highway below. He could smell them too. Even the wall around the roof felt sticky with dirt. The walls around the roof felt sticky with dirt. He looked down. The forecourt of the flats was clean, though there was litter all over the street outside. But then there was nothing unusual about that. Come away from that wall. Who say this? Come away from that wall. Umair. Who called this? Called Rida. Don't boss me around. I'm 8 now. I'll be careful. The younger brother said to his sister, don't boss me, means don't give me orders. Actually, she is not giving the orders. She is more careful about the health of his brother. That's why she said, come away from that wall, Umair. But he said, don't boss me around. I'm 8 now. I'll be careful, said Umair. Student, do you know what happening in this story next? They will saw a very strange black box. As you see, danger, do not enter. There is a statement, do not enter, but they still, Umair, want to enter in this black box. So what will happen when they enter in the box? We will see in the next lesson, or you can, if you are more curious, you can read the full lesson and you will tell me in your videos when you will read in the lesson. Allah Hafiz. Before Allah Hafiz, student, the words that is giving to you in keywords, you will make sentences of these keywords, okay? Because these keywords we will not show their meanings, but we can show their meanings with the help of sentences. So all of you make sentences of these keywords: solar panel, game console, water tank, satellite dish, handstand. Okay student, so you will must make these sentences and you share your work. Now Allah Hafiz.